Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Do you want to improve your English speaking? Then this video is for you. In this video, we are going to see how to improve your English speaking skills. So let us see what are the skills that we have to acquire in order to improve our English speaking skills. The first thing is that you have to speak every day. Why? Speaking every day is important if you are learning grammar, if you are learning rules of grammar, if you improve your vocabulary, and if you are not speaking English or if you are not practicing English speaking, then it is of no use, because you have to practice English speaking. Then only it will improve your English speaking. So what you have to do? You have to spend at least 15 minutes to practice English speaking on daily basis. What will happen if you practice like this? The first thing is that you will not commit mistakes. The second thing is that you will not be afraid of speaking English. The third thing is that you will improve your confidence. And the fourth thing is that you will master your English speaking. So that's why speak every day and improve your English speaking. So this is very important. The next important skill is that listen more. Listening is very important for speaking. So why it is important? Remember, when we were a child, we learned speaking only by listening. So we listen so many things first of all, and then we started speaking. We have to follow the same thing, the same process over here. We have to listen English through various resources like news channel, podcasts, YouTube videos. You can watch movies, and through this listening, you can improve your English speaking. So, the more you listen, the more you speak. So, start listening more English from today. The third important skill is think in English. What we generally do, we think in our mother tongue, try to translate that sentence in English, and then we speak. What happens because of this translation method? We commit mistakes as well as we lose our confidence. So don't try to translate anything from your mother tongue. Instead, think in English and speak in English, because your mother tongue has different sentence structure and English has its own sentence structure. So don't try to translate. Instead, think in English and speak in English. What will happen if you follow this? You will improve your English speaking and you will never commit any kind of mistake. So that's why you will improve your confidence of speaking. That's why don't forget to follow this skill. The fourth important skill is that practice with the partner. What we generally do, we try to stand before the mirror and start practicing. But if you are doing this in initial stage, what will happen? That you can commit mistakes and you will go on continuing those mistakes, because nobody is there to improve your mistakes or to show your mistakes. So that's why partner is important. You can take partner as your family member, your teacher, your tutor, any relative, any friend. You can make them as partner and try to communicate with that partner. What will happen if you practice with the partner? That partner will show you your mistakes and you will improve your mistakes. Ultimately, you will improve your English speaking. That's why In initial stage, partner is important. The fifth important skill is that describe a day in English. From morning till night, whatever the activities you are doing, try to describe those activities in English. Make use of simple sentences like I wake up early in the morning or I read newspaper daily. Try to speak in English by describing your activities that you are doing throughout the day. So it will also give you confidence and also you can improve your English speaking. So that's why you have to practice in such a way by making small sentences about describing your daily activities. The next important skill is that read aloud. As I told you earlier, listening is important. In the same way, reading aloud is also important. Why reading aloud is important? The first thing is that it will improve your pronunciation. The second thing is that it will improve your speed of speaking. The next important thing is that it will make you habitual of listening English. That's why reading aloud is also important skill that you have to acquire. In initial stage, you should avoid reading difficult paragraphs or anything from newspaper. Why? It may seem difficult for you. Instead, what you have to read, you have to read short stories. Why it is important to read short stories? Because the language of the short story is very simple. You will feel that you are able to read English and it will be interesting for you to read short stories and ultimately you will practice reading aloud on daily basis. That's why read simple short stories on daily basis and later on you can move to difficult paragraphs or some paragraphs from newspaper. So in initial stage, don't read difficult things. The next important skill is that don't fear about mistakes. This is the very thing because of which we avoid English speaking or we don't speak English. Because we feel that if I commit mistake, people will laugh at my mistake. I will lose my confidence. But instead, what we have to do is we should not leave English speaking practice only about fear of mistakes. Instead, we have to learn through those mistakes and we have to improve your English speaking. Remember any activity that you have learned. In initial stage, you have committed mistakes while learning anything that you have learned. Then you have improved and then you have become expert in that thing. For example, driving a car. While driving, you have committed some mistakes. You learned through those mistakes and then you become expert in driving a car. So, in initial stage, committing mistake is very natural. So, don't think about mistakes. Don't fear about mistakes, but instead learn through those mistakes and improve your English speaking. So, don't forget to follow this skill. The next important skill is that be consistent and confident. Generally, we start practice of English speaking, we continue it for a week or 2 weeks, but we don't continue for 2, 3 or 6 months. We leave the practice in between. So this should not happen. What you have to do, you have to be consistent in your practice. Ultimately, you will improve your speaking English and one day you will definitely be a fluent speaker of English. And the next important thing is that being confident. In initial stage, it may happen that you will lose your confidence because of mistakes. Don't lose your confidence, but be confident that one day I will become a fluent speaker. So that's why be consistent and confident about English speaking. The next important skill is that improve vocabulary. While speaking any language, you should have enough vocabulary. Likewise, while speaking English, you should have enough vocabulary. So what to do to improve your vocabulary? The most important thing is that you have to learn 5 new words on daily basis. Not only you have to learn, but what you have to do, you have to make use of those words in your day-to-day conversation. What will happen if you learn new words like this? You will understand the contextual meaning of those words, and also it will remain in your memory for a longer time. So follow this skill to improve your vocabulary. So these are the skills with which you can improve your English definitely. Try to acquire these skills. Did you find the skills useful? And which skill did you like most? Tell us in comment. If you find the information in the video useful, please subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of our videos at the earliest. If you like this video, please press like button. If you find the information in this video significant, share this video to other people. Thank you.